walk-ins, and if you can.
No worries. Yes, I can. Which Pixel is this?
They told me.
No problem. Tell me. Can I see it?
It's,
So what happened to it?
I dropped it today from not very far.
Yeah.
I would say maybe this part of it is new, like where it went all the way through, and you can see that this was existing before. And so I didn't even realize that it wasn't working until, like, it still functions. It makes calls and stuff. If I call it, I can, like, answer it on my headphones. So that, and they said, too, that they can tell that it's working, that it's just a...
This is crazy to find.
Yeah. So what happened to this?
Well, I dropped it, cracked it like a year ago, but it wasn't really much of a bother for me up until this little part started popping in there. So it's like, I don't know what it is really.
I see. Okay. No problem. So you dropped this and then it stopped working?
Yeah. Well, no, it still works. I just turned it off. Did you need it on or something?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It just needs a screen fix.
Okay.
I don't know if I thought I had a screen protector on it.
I see.
I mean, you know.
Wow. Okay, let me see. What happened to this?
It fell out of the convertible.
Okay. I see. Yeah, no worries. I can fix this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, it seems to be working. It's just the...
Yeah. Okay. And this is a iPhone 11?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Okay, no worries. If you can come over here.
Good. I'd like to see about getting that screen repaired and get a quote on it.
Okay, no worries. Can you put in the passcode?
Yeah, sure. There you go.
Okay. So what happened to this? Is it
It just had a fall.
today?
No.
Okay. Okay. Do you know which SE this is?
This is second generation.
Okay.
The new screen.
What's going on? Oh.
It just cracked all over.
How did this happen?
Well, it's in a pretty protective case, so I don't know.
Okay.
My kids used it, but I mean,
Okay.
I don't know exactly.
Okay. This is little. Do you know the model?
It's a.
Can you go to
mini.
I'll go right here. No problem.
Okay.
Mini 6. Okay. Let me see what it would cost.
It just ended up going loose from the motherboard.
I see. You said this just... You dropped this? Sorry?
Yep.
Okay, I'll have to see what's going on with it. Could just be the screen. And what is this model?
Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus.